Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Wagwan, bless up first and foremost. Wull on there with the latest updates, mix up and mix downs at JA. So subscribe if for your first time over here. So is April. Otherwise, from that we are gonna talk about where the description of the video say. And last chat and laugh live with Amari and Lava end up make him get himself in a big problem. So him there behind bars, but we'll see.
The hot topic last night on the internet. I want to notice over the hot topic on the internet last night. One and only DJ Mona Lisa. The one and only DJ Mona Lisa is the hot topic on the internet. I say, be people at me and say, Richie, where they come in? Then, Amari come out and say, oh, Lava asked about her meat under the sheet. And I say she da drink lava juice. All of them something there. You see all of this something them she entertain. Right? You know see? And me tell you no all the while. Every time when you see enough followers or people who have enough attention, I write the so. Anyway, with any little controversy there, I write the so. Mona Lisa put her foot. Write the so because she love when people talk about her. You hear me say? She love when people talk about her. So anyway, if I heck, she in the red. You know, see last night when time you see the 18,000 people them. Alright, so she come out and say, you need to tell the people them. You need to tell the people them they're talking about my Uzi. And they're talking about my Guzi and my this and that and that. You need to tell them and one bugger thing. And you always, you're a user. You're a user. You try to use me. Every time you want a hot show. Every time you want a hot show, you use me. I may tell you no. That woman here, I no idiot. That woman here have sense. So all of who say she mad, she have sense more than you know. May I tell you no. She know just how to get enough to talk about her. She's a genius. So no go and say she mad and she have this a disorder and that a disorder. Not a disorder. Remember that. Not a disaster, not a disorder. None of them should have. So me I tell you no people. That woman them tell you about her. Oh, you're not. I need somebody to defend me. I need somebody to defend me. Right? Every time you be calling me and you're not telling them, oh, my pussy's good. Tell them. You need to tell them, my pussy's good. My Uzi is good. And you make that pretty don and come diss me. You make her come diss me. Talk about my 13 kids. Eh? But you need to tell them. Even though I got 13 kids, I got some good Uzi, Lava. Lava, I got some good Uzi. I got some good Uzi, Lava. Tell them that me and you's together. And you're calling me down every night, and every night we sleeping and we doing the okey pokey. I'm going with a crocus bag, a ticket 17 scandal bag. So, on a notice, last week she goes to Obama and say, me and Beanie Man in a relationship. Me and Beanie Man I got married. Beanie, marry me, Beanie. Marry me. And she jump right over there, so. Anyway, the hot party I go on over there, she there. Anyway, she say, Richie, I carry, pussy feelings for her. But what everybody ever carry pussy feelings for Amari. Everybody. Everybody always ready for Amari red. We get the new dark we spread. Who you know what true me attack? Here Leah asks what is blue tick. I see some memes. Amari love it. All who know daddy and I go on. Anytime nobody not talk about her. Anytime nobody not talk about her at them time they should depress and mad. Good afternoon. For who's asking about what's a blue tick, that's when you're verified. That's your somebody. Me not have no blue tick. That means me have no body for Instagram. Couple people just know me, but right now Amari is famous. Because remember, say she have a song with named Neko, and the song get millions of views. So that is what help her blue tick too. So all of the and things say Amari a idiot. You don't go and laugh and talk about, yo, Amari a fool. Remember saying, no, YouTube, once you go to and put up and say you're a blogger, or you're a whatever, once you apply for the blue tick, you're going to get the blue tick. So Amari get one heap of views on Facebook, she get one heap of views on Instagram, she get one heap of views on YouTube. So 3 places that she have one heap of views. So that's the reason why she get her blue tick. So we don't know wonder how comes. It's like we don't know think. She an idiot. She an idiot. Amari is a public figure. The whole of we know who is Amari. Nobody can come talk about what is a Amari. The whole of we know what is a Amari. Remember, you know, she no need Gully Bop again, you know. Remember that, you know. Not even an inch she do with Gully Bop, you know, because she says she's the shit right now, you know. She's popping, you know. So you can't stay there. Amari the right where she want to go long time. You know, she say, Jamaica, you're going to be proud of me because I'm going to be bigger than Bob Marley. I'm going to be bigger than Bob Marley. Remember which part she set her stakes, you know, and our standard, a Bob Marley standard, she put her stake. And when you can't stay there and feel like say Amari, make Amari, alright, make the whole of we give Amari a next hit song, I want to see boy. Because me I tell you, anyhow I never did pandemic and Neko it. Only the fuck we see Amari pan the show them. Only that see Amari pan show boy like nothing. Because remember say, she no need papers for travel. She no need papers for travel. Remember say Amari a citizen. Only need to remember that one day. So nobody couldn't say she have visa problem. She can go everywhere she want to go. Nobody now ask her where she go. So just think about it. When everybody wonder if Amari. Remember say the 18,000 people just see last night make sure they say laugh, but you know my Uzi. You know my Uzi. So you can't stay there and think say Amari a idiot. Here? Make boy did open up and see. Just like all the people them take out Gully Bop out of the gully and make him tour the world. Remember Amari song. Neko you mash up me like what? You can't go on, man. Laugh off Amari and talk about ray this and ray that. I don't cuss her and talk everything about the woman body. Yo, me say me no know yo. Remember Amari cuss me right through, you know. So nobody feel like I remember that defend me, I defend Amari. You don't know she done me right through. You don't know Amari done me. You don't know. You don't know Amari done me. So nobody feel like say me a beg friend from Amari or nothing at all. She done me. Because remember say she would just go up on her live and done me as they say who that because Amari that. You don't know she stay. Amari is a star. Definitely she's a star. Right? She have up her blue tick. Big up Amari and the blue tick. You made it. Mad. Mad? Amari no mad. Amari no mad none at all. Just like how me tell the people them say L.A. Lewis no mad. All the while me tell people this. L.A. Lewis is a marketing genius. From me little bit, L.A. Lewis I write his name on wall. And L.A. Lewis put himself amongst the queen. Him say he was 90 by the queen. Unna say L.A. Lewis them say, the police them lock him up and say, him for get psychiatric evaluation. Only can't stay there and think say L.A. Lewis a idiot. Not a idiot. Not a idiot. Amari good at telling us a green cat she have when she have her big book here. Only can't stay there. Amari good at telling us that shit and have her big book. I remember say from 2014 Amari come to Jamaica. Right? And she have 13 pitney. So the easiest thing for she go into Uncle Sam. The 13 pitney born in America. 13 of them. She have every reason to be turned citizen. So everybody wants to say, oh, Amari sick and Amari sick. She not sick. Anyway, good afternoon. I can't come on live and talk about Amari whole evening. I not do it. I leave Pretty Dan to talk about her. Because I know it's Pretty Dan I talk about her. See? I know when pretty than talk, you have to laugh. I don't know Facebook, you go stay with him something for it last night. And go out with him something. You know what I mean? So, what me I tell you now? No for you, well want to go in a relationship at about you lonely. And you hear this now. So I need to take a time and know yourself. Because you don't even know our time of the month when the period come. Much less for know about man. And I talk about you feel lonely and Lord a long time now. Some of you know a man 3 months now and then I talk about you lonely. You need to take a check and look by yourself. Spend some time with yourself. Because every time you get lonely when you see a holiday come, you miss man and go to something. You can treat yourself one at a time. And this is foreign and local. Spend some time with yourself. And when you spend some time with yourself, you will work off. I remember saying I laugh, I'm serious. I'm serious. Some of you don't know your own body. You don't know your own body. Sometimes you think on the period that come. And on the period just done, your belly a cramp, and a gas you have. Right? Sometimes a gas you have. You have gas and I say, Lord, then my period that just done. Right? And a big 30-year-old girl. Right? Somehow you know the way you go to man, you look man on internet. The way you look man on internet, you not even take time out to know yourself, much less. Somehow you want a little purge out, man. Don't it show the way I do over my life. I know me not like you. You know me not like you. And you come over my life, come jump in. Definitely Mika. Sometimes I fart, you don't want to fart. You know what I mean? But it's okay to get to know yourself. Spend some time with yourself, and when you look into yourself, you say, okay, alright. Alright. If you have a son or a daughter, spend some time. No found the dust come out of a relationship. Don't jump to go back in a one. Can I try go back for the happiness when the dust lose? See? A man too. Sometimes I'm in a company you want. I'm in a company you want. Sometimes I just broke you want to broke. Dennis, where you come and tell me hello for? Where you want? Where you want, Dennis? Remember the people. More time when I talk, you have to listen to what I'm saying, because I'm not talking foolishness, you know. Because when you talk too much foolishness, people will have you as idiot. See? So, what me I say to you is, I know when you go up on some live, when you go to hear about people's sexuality, who are sodomite, who are gays, who take the boy the last night, who go up on the date there. Right now, may I tell you this right now, if you're not into a girl like that, don't go up on a date with her. Don't go up on a date with her. And most of the girls don't even know who to go up on date with, because as a man buying 2 drinks. And